Good morning.
Where are we?
We are in King City in the bus stop.
We are taking bus 84 today to Paso Robles, as we cannot find accommodation for tonight in a distance we can reach, because it's also quite a mountainous area, and it's better with the bus, a short bus ride. And we're waiting for the bus. We are a little bit early to ensure that they take our bicycles. So we are taking all the luggage off, put it in the bus and see how it goes.
This is our luggage. That's my husband.
How do you feel after this big lunch?
Cool. But it's super hot and I have the wool pants.
We do a short break every 10 kilometers in the heat. How is your experience on this gravel road downhill?
Good. Just my husband scares me that I will fall down and lay there.
Nobody will fall down. 8 kilometers to the hotel. Yay!
Rudy had a flat tire. And not only a flat tire, he had a bad thing from the highway.
We're just outside San Luis Obispo, and we have a flat tire, and I cannot get the tire resealed on the wheel. Looks like that the tape is broken. So Sandra in the town with the other bicycle to a bicycle dealer and fixing it there, and I wait for her. Good that this was only a moderate hill.
Oh, I know. Not sure this was the road that the Google Maps had chosen for us. But look at the view.
Lompoc,
Lompoc.
center of the world. Hello, we are back on Highway 1 and we are going from Lompoc to Santa Barbara. It goes to the mountains here. 1,000 meter, 3,000 feet of climbing. So it will be quite a lot. The weather is getting better, the rain is gone. Yeah, but it's getting quite hot.
Happy hour.
In Santa Barbara.
Hey, so we are in Santa Barbara now. We are at the
Stearns Wharf.
yeah, and it's a nice walkway, and actually it's a very nice sunset. As you can see, it's all made out of wood. And you have the marina there.
The fog is coming in.
The fog is coming.
Yeah. Future destination.
Somewhere there.
107 kilometers from here.
Exactly. That's tomorrow. Tonight, we'll have dinner.
Why is the water so dirty?
I don't know, that's your clothes. Testing, testing. We are leaving Santa Barbara now. And we got a new stand for the GoPro, so you can see Rudy better. in Malibu. Yes, Malibu.
Yeah, only 25 kilometers to go
Yes.
today, 80 done.
Very long way.
A day where it was not sunny at all and only headwind.
Hey, we are on our way to Santa Monica. We will cross the Santa Monica mountains. We'll spend the night there. There are 60 something kilometers to ride, but we had to stop because somebody felt exhausted. And we realized we didn't have such a good breakfast. We needed some extra carbs, so we stopped for Greek food. Yay! So, how do you feel now?
Better.
Yeah? Can you keep going? Our hotel. Nuestro hotel está ahí arriba.